Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the INFINITIPRO by CONAIR Curl Secret Purple. My hair is long halfway down my back and is very thick, so it takes about 30-40 minutes to do. It is a little bit hard to remember to keep one side toward my head, but it works like a dream. Works to put curls in my daughter's hair. Looks great too, but sometimes the hair can get stuck if she didn't get it exactly right. Slow and steady is the smart way to go with this, but if you keep at it you'll get into a rhythm. People, this is a curling robot. You don't have to twist it, burn yourself, or think about which way it is curling. She is a teenager and is really into styling her hair, and this has been a great tool and a time saver as well. If you want to have tight curls, you are going to need extra time. The sections of hair you can put into the curling iron are small, and if you've got a head of long hair, it's gonna take a while. For those girls with thick hair, this may take even longer, since you can only put a little hair in the machine every single time, otherwise you get stuck. This machine automatically stops when they figure out there is hair stuck in the roll, and you are able to take out your hair effortless. Never fear, simply hold the roller lower and place the hair into the channel at the top of the part that didn't curl. When finished, if you're going to sleep on it, then you're gonna want to spray it well for overnight hold. The only negative is that you can change the direction, so curls around the face are all going in the same direction, but it's not a deal breaker. It does take time to get the hang of it, so you don't mess up your hair, but it creates perfect curls when you do. She put some gel in her hair prior to, and while it does take longer than a standard curl iron, you can't get any better curls. If the hair is inserted incorrectly, it beeps and you open the handle and out falls the hair. No pulling or pain. Would definitely recommend this to anyone like me, someone who's curl challenged and has been wanting a curling iron substitute. The Pro Curl gently pulls my hair into the unit and beeps a few times, then beeps again to let me know it's finished. Once you know what's going on, it's super easy and you can get your hair done quickly, even with really long hair like mine. My hair length is right between the middle of my back and butt. Once my hair got a little stuck, but it wasn't too terribly hard to get it back out. There is another beep about 10 seconds after the quadruple beep, probably warning you that you've had it in too long. This is cool and it does work well, but you can only do so much hair at once. It takes a long time. Got lots of compliments on it yesterday. Had someone say, "Wow, you got up early today." Nope, most of my hair done in 15 minutes. The only con is to be careful. If you do not put the hair in correct, it can pull a little. No soy muitas ra ala or del sacato o hacerme peinados y con esta herramienta es sumamente fácil todo el proceso. This is the first appliance that gives me a gentle, natural looking curl. It also lasts all day with a minimum amount of hairspray. This is a miracle worker. The Curl Secret kept perfect curls all night, and that's with her flipping and running around. It is a bit heavy and it only does a tight curl, however, but it's nice to find something that makes a perfect curl without you fighting with it to turn out right. It only took me 45 minutes to do my friend's hair instead of old curling irons that would have taken 2-3 hours to get the same results. My girl doesn't part her hair and it takes her less than 10 minutes on med heat to do her head. Also great for those learning to do their own hair or people with disabilities who might have difficulty managing a curling iron. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.